This takes some coordination. So if your loved one ever tries to talk you into helping out on a cooking stream, and they say that, oh, you only have to do like this one little thing, don't believe them. Just look at me. Being left alone on a cooking stream, doing a lot of the work. They're very tricksy. It starts off small. Next thing you know, the chat is putting in for 150,000 channel points to make you cook the entire meal for Dana. Because that happened a few weeks ago. All right, whisking the whole time. Picture very slow. Reduce heat too low. Cover. Did she not get the lid? We gotta find a lid. Cool. Heat's on low, covered, simmering away. 10 to 15 minutes. We stir every few minutes. It'll be done when it's nice and thick and all the liquid is absorbed. So we have more time to kill. Oh wait, no, that's Dana's. I can't accidentally still a sip. That's no fun. So it's almost Friday, almost the weekend. Anybody got any fun plans? I think we're actually a lot less busy this weekend than we have been for the last month. I know Dana's got to work, but other than that, we actually have a little bit of free time. Are you back?
Do you have any idea how many minutes?
Which time? This last time? I don't know, 5?
I'll be back in like 2 or 3 more minutes.
Okay. She says she'll be back in 2 or 3 more minutes in case she was still muted. I think Dana wants to try and go find a couple more old recipe books to brainstorm about the regrettable food stream. So I think she's got some ideas, but she wants to go check out some of the older books just to see if there's anything else she would like to do. Yep, you'll also be doing that. Hopefully it's a regrettable but still somewhat tasty dish that gets made. Or maybe I'll have to order some food for us after that stream if it doesn't go well. Because boy, some of that stuff that got posted in the Discord, if you guys want to go on the Discord and check out the regrettable food pics.
We're coming in.
Some of those recipes are, no, it doesn't even remotely sound appetizing.
Whatever you're talking about no longer matters. Take a look at this. This.
Look at that.
My bro. Let's go to this one. Instead of my brother. My dude.
Very
How
well,
big that is.
very well done, Dana.
Well, we're going to cover it with foil to let it finish resting.
Okay.
It's going to be. This is going to be very rare.
Okay.
Very rare, you said? Mm-hmm. And why is that?
Because that is what steak Florentine is. It's a very, when you're cooking it that style, it's very rare. Okay.
Hi, Dana, you're back.
Uh-huh.
So it says to start every few minutes. It's probably been a couple. We might want to.
All right. I'm going to move it over here.
And I'll stir it a bit.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, she left the other burner on. That's
I did.
fun.
Leave it on.
Oh.
I have
That's
a. Is this yours? Is this yours?
Yes.